Here's how to get backup codes on Instagram step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Backup codes are one-time login codes used when you can't receive two-factor authentication messages. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Account Center. Inside Account Center, tap Password and Security. Now tap Two-Factor Authentication and select your Instagram account. Tap Additional Methods, then tap Backup Codes. You'll see a list of one-time codes. If your codes were already used, tap Get New Codes to generate a fresh set instantly. Each code can only be used once. Save them somewhere safe, like secure notes, a password manager, or offline storage. Use backup codes if you lose your phone, you can't receive SMS or app codes, you log in from a new device. And that's it. That's how to get backup codes on Instagram in 2026. Subscribe for more Instagram security tips.